Having Tata AIG Motor Insurance was a great stress buster during a stressful situation. Hello, I am Krishna Kiran Mandapaka. I reside with my wife in Hyderabad. There is an incident that happened in my life in the recent past that I feel should be shared with everyone so that it will be helpful and why I trust Tata AIG Motor Insurance so much. So about a month ago, I was traveling along with my wife. We predicted that there could be more traffic. We started early, but what happened was during the course of the journey, there was a car which hit us from the back. Thankfully, neither of us were hurt, and the whole situation of dealing with an accident was so stressful because it happened for the first time in my life. Luckily, I had Tata AIG Motor Insurance and their team was absolutely fantastic. When I called them, they responded, they inquired about me and my wife who was in the car, whether we were hurt. It was really great of them. They arranged for services at a nearby service station. It was a great relief that the entire incident, which was supposed to be stressful, thanks to Tata AIG Motor Insurance, it was so relieving to see that this has happened. They arranged for complete cashless repairs at a nearby service station, and it was such a huge relief that I do not have to worry about the costs that are involved in getting this damage repaired. Thanks to Tata AIG Motor Insurance, I was back on the road in no time. Their efficiency in service and promptness is what actually bowled me over. I highly recommend Tata AIG Motor Insurance for their excellent customer service and cashless repairs. And I am thankful to Tata AIG Motor Insurance for being with me during my difficult times.